Hello YouTube Nation and crew, and welcome back to Microtopia. But now, I thought we were done. Great things come to those who wait. So, the developer of the game sent an announcement on Discord that they are doing a playtest beta, which includes a new build featuring all the content up to tier 4, representing about 50% of the game's total progression, as well as a bunch of UI changes that they've been working on. So I thought, let's go and dive right in, because why not? This little series is going to be kind of a longer one, I guess. I'm not going to do as many cuts because they're opening this up to playtest so that they can get good feedback and for finding bugs and whatnot. And I want to be able to show them everything, and any bugs I come across. So there'll be very minimal editing on these videos, but lots of fun Nalic derpiness. So we have the ability now to change the world seed, which is really cool. So I'm going to change it to my name. And then we also have a quicker instinct sequence. So I did like a split second of looking at this and checking it out, but didn't go in depth. So we're going to dive right in. And there was a bunch of UI. I didn't even know if you took time to look at the UI changes there. The buttons kind of look like microchips, which are really cool. But yeah, this is going to be great. Look at this. This is already cool. Like, you got all the red. Oh, look. Hey, thank you for playtesting. So, guys, this is a work in progress and not representative of the final product. Realize that. But that's not going to stop us from enjoying it, because I love the idea. Oh, I love these buttons, though. The buttons are so cool. If you want feedback, you can push the button. Join the Discord. All right. Let's get rolling. So, I did take a peek at this seed once already. And I initially had landed over here, but I think I'm going to land over here so that we are closer to the foodstuffs. And we got a good chunk of metal here. So let's land the queen. Oh, look at this. Look at the UI down here. Different inventory, ants. Things are a little bit different looking. So a little bit of adjustment. I've already got one bug, guys. I can see the shadow of the queen sitting here. So yes, this is definitely going to be more like streamer style, playing through the whole thing, and cutting it up as much as I can. So we're going to do it. Instinct, you want to place the queen down. Now, for those of you who are uninitiated, I have kind of the walkthrough of this on my Let's Try video. But in the next step after this, there's a lot more stuff of like how you move around and all that. We're doing the quick instinct. So guess what? Boom. Produce 10 regular workers, and we get the trails, the storage, and all the good stuff. So look at this new UI. I kind of like it. I do like it. I feel like it's a more modern looking, nice round edges and all that. I feel like there's something missing to it. Maybe it's just the detail, and maybe these look like two different sized icons. I don't know, but I don't mind it. It's nice. So, important step 1, we need to get metals. I do wish that there were hotkeys to these building areas, because I love this hotkey. Ooh, we get the divider right away too. I love that these are on hotkeys, which is really nice, but hitting all the other production things would be nice to have on hotkeys as well. But that's just me, because I am a programmer. I love having things all on the keyboard. So let's just get our units all set up here. We need to have our queen feeding loop. I'll make it kind of a bigger loop. And we'll get our dispenser over her. Alright. Get you going over there. Get you on the queen feeder. Get a couple of guys doing this thing. Alright. And first things first, let's build our incubator. Oh, I clicked a little too many buttons. Do that. And let's get incubation pad set up and ready. This is a little somewhat premature. Oh, that's so cool. Essentially, oh, nice. Since you answer low, God's the queen. They will never die from old age. The colony can depend on them if all else fails. Oh, brood. Oh, look at that. I like that breakdown. Ooh, interesting. Max population. Total energy fed, draining that much per second. Oh, that's cool. So we don't have the stages. Oh yeah, no, stage 1. Max population. Okay, everything's there. It's just different looking, which I actually like this. I like the little counter thing up here. I think that was a good touch up here. Get all the information. All the important information is like right here, which is your population and the max size, but the stage bit is there, and then you can hover over to see other fun info. All right, we have got that set up. Incubator. Let's get, I guess we can maybe get a second incubator set up. Yeah, like my kind of like clicking around a lot is, it would be nice to have these on a hotkey. So, man. Don't think that's different. I thought maybe the ingredients being on there. I was like, hey, that's different. You can see the ingredients easy. No, they were there before. Don't mind me. I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, let's get you on the larva loop. Okay, and I need to start figuring out how I'm gonna split things up, right? Because we're gonna need some production stuff soon. Oh, stop being so silly. 6. Yes, I know how to use these things. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Here. Here. We'll just do that for now. I do feel like escape works. Okay. Sometimes the right click feels like it's not. I don't know if there's a way to like maybe add a little bit more time between pressing right click and having it engage the pan versus the deselect, because there's times where I'll right click. That's actually not too bad right now. I feel like before there was times where I'd right click and it would do the pan instead and keep the trail, but it seems to be working out for me. Okay, so we got the people. Get you over here, and I really should work on getting a combinator, but I need to get some actual metals. Do that. So let's get a smelter. Oh, where should we set up our smelting fun? Oh, we'll put it over here for now. Just because take some time and kind of get rolling. That's just a little bit of a waiting game. See, this is the stuff that I would cut out in a normal video. So you guys have to sit here and watch me derp and wait. Watch me derp. Alright, lots of metals are coming in. Very nice, very nice. Another storage. Get the divider. Click. Boom. Alright. Get our smelting set up. We can break off of this, so I erase that here. Then we'll divide off of here, there, or here. I am not at all working in an efficient way. I'm just kind of doing organic growth here. Here's this is right. Oh, that's this thing over here. The incubators. The incubators. Alright. Hey, we've reached stage 2. Look at us go. We do need some more metal producers. Okay, we got a lot of guys over here. Food court. Get you over here. Producers. Okay. We should build another incubator. Look at that. Third incubator. Incubator. Ah, we need to. No. You. And you know, big guy. Perfection. These guys are all confused. I don't know what to do. The sun trail ran away. Alright, cool. And now be doing the thing. Some metals. Beautiful. And I can some workshop areas. These. This guy's going over there. I am excited, very excited to get into the texture. Do I not hesitate? I don't. Oh, that's slick. Oh, that's super cool. Now there's a tutorial log. Oh, look at that. Okay, cool. So we've seen that before. Okay. Me likey. Look at our food stockpile. It's building. It's building, Jack. It's building. Sweet. Okay. Let's venture forth. Let's see. We have combiners. Combiners over here. Trails are kind of doing a weird wonky thing. This will eventually open up, so I guess we can throw our workshop area over here. A couple of these. You are going to make this cruise, please. I really should just do one. Let's this over here. Once then, I want to have a storage place. Put it over here and put it on earth. And a divider. Ish. That there, hey? Alright, now, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something here. What do I want to do here, mate? What do I want to do here, mate? Yes, I could do a divider guy here. Maybe we have one divide out. Or maybe we just go like this and collect and take them and sort of hijack them from somewhere else. That's a great idea. Yeah, hey? I am bringing on my full hometown goodness. Oh, no, no. There's Sentry. You come here. Come here. You my guy. They're gonna come over here. Oh, what are we making? I don't know, Captain. We're gonna make iron plates. Alright. We are cruising right along. Look at our food stock. It is ginormous. Stage 3, max population of 50. Alright. I need 5 screws and 2 plates. I got 2 screws, 0 plates so far. I'm gonna let her roll. I'll probably do these videos like 20 minutes long. 20 minutes long. Who knows? Who knows when I sit here and talk to myself, which is talking to you guys. But here's what I'm gonna do. Split this out. Split one out over here. Here's 1, 2. Then this literally split. So we're kind of like creating this weird loop. This is totally just me coming up with something on the fly. I do not recommend what I am doing, but it's something different. So now all of our engineer dudes are all kind of like working together here. Except this guy with the... Hold on now, Mr. Guy. What you doing? You are with the wrong group. You need to go over there. You're with the wrong group there, brother. You there. Might as well throw a divider on here. Alright. We have the thing. Why? How? What? I must have these guys crossing over. Oh. Or a good one. No, we don't want that if. Here? There we go. This is what I want. After they drop off their metal, then they will have a chance to go venture off and do other things. That's what I want. Alright, now we need to get a combinator as soon as we can, because curtain for some regular ants. Stop that there. Another combinator. Bang. How about... Oh yeah, look at that. We got our first regular ant coming in. First regular ant. It actually would probably be better if I put them on dividers and divided them up, but it is what it is. Wow, we have a lot of guys over here. Can we use you guys in a better way? Y'all to come over here and help with metal collection. I really hope that we get a certain ant that's going to be able to hit these guys. Oh, the digger ant. Kind of a cool looking one. Alright. Okay, so these guys are just kind of chilling. Get you over here, buddy. So we can figure out what the crap is going on with the stuff. Actually, you know what? I want all of you guys to open this loop. Let's get rolling and start making a bunch of metal stuff. Nope, one fell over. I don't want to do this anymore. Wait for one screw and one plate. Yeah, exactly. Here, grab this thing. Come back, please. Yay, screw! Bum ba da bum. Where's the plate? Give me the plate. There's the plate. Alright, and how many? We need 10 of them. Alright, cool. So, get one more, and then we're good. Like this, we're gonna get divide. Alright, we got our 10th ant. Hooray! We did it! Unlock radar technology in the development tree. Sweet. So we have the inventor pad. Awesome. Cool. Do I have the tree? Oh yeah, I do. Ooh. Oh, this is cool. Oh, that is really cool. I like this. Ooh. This is fancy. Radar tower. The null trail. The trail that won't create any kind of action flag. Handy if you want to transport ants without them interacting. Oh, that's kind of nice. Larva storage? Oh, shut up. Counter gate. We know about that. Plant cutting. We know about that. Carry gate. A logic gate that lets ants enter based on what type of material they're carrying. Oh, cool. Iron floor tile. Oh, building it. Oh, nice. The digger ant. Yep, that's the one I want. Mining, drone, copper. Okay, cool. Oh, man. I'm excited to dive into this tech tree and see what else we can get. All right. I like it. I like it. I like it. This is great, guys. This is great. All right, so we've kind of hit a major milestone here. So I am going to call it an episode right here. Appreciate you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that like button down below. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so. And join this wonderful family that is the crew. Appreciate each and every one of you. Tune in for the next episode, which will hopefully be coming out soon. It is Thanksgiving time out here in the US. So for all my US viewers, happy Thanksgiving. And for those of you who are not US viewers, you still have a wonderful day. You guys are awesome. God bless. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.